Can you imagine, it's already been a whole year since my first walk and talk video? How did this year unfold? In so many beautiful, profound, and sometimes sad ways, because it was the first year that I was facing without my dad. Without my dad in physical form, but with my dad present in every thought, in every moment, inside my heart, in every project, in every video, in every breath, in every dream. I feel that we are even more inseparable today than we were when he was here, if that is possible to imagine. But that is how it feels. It feels that he is not gone. It feels that he is here, not only inside me, but also all around me in this beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you for being with me on this wonderful journey of this entire year. And I hope that I will be able to inspire you to start sharing your life experiences, to come out of your shell, to come outside, to join this beautiful, peaceful revolution. I hope that you will take me up on the invitation and that I will be seeing much more of you in the next year. And if you want to explore how you can get to even more deeper self and discover all of those wonderful layers, those creative parts of yourself, if you want to reconnect with them, join Carol and me on 1st of January for 4 days, a free workshop just for you. And we promise to be there with you every step of the way. It won't end on the 4th of January. Give yourself a chance that no year resolution could ever give you and fulfill for you. Make this year count as the best year of your life yet, because best is yet to come, and it's inside you. I send you my blessings.